Welcome everyone. Welcome to today's video. If you're new here, it's Bree here with Biz with Bree. This channel is all about entrepreneurship, small business growth, and using social media for business. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I drop knowledge every week regarding business growth topics and tips. Today's video topic is going to be on how to set up your email marketing using ConvertKit. I highly recommend using ConvertKit just because of the way it is set up. It's very easy to use, a very easy interface, and you want to be capturing emails on a separate platform that is your email list no matter what happens. For instance, if you capture your emails through maybe your website provider, if you have a Wix website and you're capturing emails through them, if anything ever goes down, you would lose that. Or if you are hosting some type of information here on YouTube, if YouTube ever went down, you would lose that information. So you want to make sure that you are capturing your email list. That way, no matter where you go, wherever you are, you will have access to that list that you can constantly update and download. That way, if you ever switch platforms, you will have that access. Today, what I'll be doing is just briefly going over ConvertKit and how to use it. This is something that I use in my small business, so you can definitely create this as a small business and begin to build your email list. It's never too late, and it's never too early. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. To first log into ConvertKit, this is how it will look. This is your main page, your dashboard that shows you, your average open rate, your subscribers, things like that. If you click the grow button, this is how you can see exactly subscribers, and it'll show you for the different time slots when people subscribe to your email list. And then the landing pages is how you would create like a landing page if you wanted to host something. Say for example, I have my ebook, so I have a landing page explaining why it's good to start a business, and then at the end of the landing page, they can sign up and submit their email for access to the ebook. Also, you can create forms here to plug in the HTML to whatever website you have. That way, you're not collecting the emails on that site. You are collecting them and they're going to your ConvertKit site. So the next section is for sending. Broadcast is when you want to send out a mass email, like if you have newsletters or if you have an event coming up, you want to send them out to everyone in your email list. This is what I have set up, and what you would want to set up is basically the automations. Someone subscribes to your email list, they will be tagged per your form. And I will get to the automation in a minute for one of these sequences. And that way, when they sign up for it, they will automatically get a sequence of emails. That way, you don't have to manually send out these emails. Creating email templates and snippets, I haven't really used those yet, but I'm sure they'll be a great tool that you can use if you need to use them. So what I use next to set up my email sequences and set up the automations is the visual automations. And I do have different automations set up, but basically I have a blog form that is set up for blogs on my website. So when someone submits to the blog form, they automatically get tagged as newsletter. However, because I have more than one blog post on my blog, I do have a condition. If they have already subscribed, then I will send them an email stating that they already subscribed. There's no need to resubscribe. If they haven't subscribed and they aren't tagged to this subscribe to newsletter tag, then I would go ahead and send them the subscribe to newsletter automation. If they aren't already subscribed, then they would be tagged as subscribe to newsletter, and then they would start with the welcome to my newsletter email. This is why I say it's very important to get this set up. To initially set this up, it does take a little bit of time, but it's automated. So that way, every time someone subscribes to your newsletter or whatever you have have them set up to subscribe to, you don't have to manually send them out a new email introducing whatever it is that they're subscribing to. This is the visual automation. You can go ahead and create different rules, or it shows you the different rules here, but I haven't really done that because normally I set the rules up when I create the automations. The integrations and the RSS feed, I haven't used that as well. So there are ways that you can earn money directly through ConvertKit. You can sell digital products straight through here. They can send you a tip, your audience, and then it shows you the way that there are payouts. One of the main things that I love about ConvertKit is that they have in-depth courses that help you learn how to use the platform. When I first signed up for it, there was videos at each step that helped me use the platform. So if I didn't know what I was doing, then I would have a step-by-step process to set everything up and know what it is and why it's important to your email marketing process. It's basically a brief overview of ConvertKit and how you can use it in your small business to start building your email list for marketing. It is very essential to do this. So if you're having sales, if you're having a blowout, if you're going to have an event, you want to create that email list. That way you can market these things or advise your audience of these things immediately versus having to send out messages to each and every person on multiple different platforms. If you collect the email list, you can send it out to the majority of your subscribers and your audience all at one time. You can still send out and post on the different platforms, but your most engaged audience members are going to subscribe to your email list. That is who you want to be making sure that you're getting announcements out to, and events, sales, raffles, whatever it is that you're having. We'll have an affiliate link in the description for a free trial if you want to go ahead and check them out. I highly recommend doing this. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit that like button and leave a comment below of what you like most, or if you plan to use this in your email marketing strategy. It helps me as a small YouTuber to let the algorithm and YouTube know like this is good content. That way it gets shared to more small business owners and entrepreneurs. As always, have a good day, be blessed, and I'll see you in our next video.